Hello, my name is Maria, and in this video you'll see how to install Virto Calendar app right from the Microsoft Teams. First of all, go to Apps on the left panel of your Teams. Search for Virto, select Virto Calendar and click Add to a Team. Select the channel which you're going to use for your Virto Calendar. Click Set up a tab. And click Add Calendar to Overlay. Now search on the SharePoint store for Virto Calendar and choose it one more time. Click Added. Continue. Return to site and trust it. Now click Virto Calendar app in the site contents on the SharePoint and configure My Virto Calendar. Type the name of your Virto Calendar, and even if you don't have any calendars existing, just select events from the Outlook which you're going to add and click Create and Go. The calendar will be added to your SharePoint site, and now you can go back to your Teams and in the chosen channel click Add a tab, where you should select Virto Calendar one more time. Choose the calendar which you have just created and click Save. The Virto Calendar will be added to your Teams as a separate tab, and now you and your colleagues can use it without switching to SharePoint. Thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for our new videos about our products. Goodbye.